how to set up Life360 account. So if you want to set up and create an account in Life360 app, then first you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and then go with search. And here you need to search for Life360. Once you search for the Life360, here you will have the application. Make sure that you've installed the application. Once you've installed, you need to tap on open, which is on the right side. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you open, tap on get started, which is on the bottom of your screen. And now you need to enter your mobile number with the country code. Once you enter, you need to tap on continue. And after that, add your email address. And again, tap on continue. And now you need to enter the code that you've received on your mail address. So you just need to simply go and open up your mail and you will receive a code right there. So just copy the code and then paste it right here. And after that, tap on continue again. Now you need to enter your name, enter your first and last name, and again go with continue. Now you need to provide your date of birth. Tap on continue. Tap on continue again. And if you want to join a circle, then you just need to simply enter the invite code and then go with submit. Or if you already have a code, then enter. But if you don't have a code, you can tap on don't have a code or create a new circle and then tap on continue and just answer a few questions. You can add your photo or you can just simply skip that. Tap on remind me later, skip, that's it. That's how you can install and create your account on Life360. And that's how you can set up your Life360 account on the application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.